I actually know what month I'm in. I don't want to brag or anything. Welcome to FiberLoveDiary. I'm Trisha if we haven't met, and if we have met, welcome back. How you doing? We just got back from camping. You can see our kitchen table is like a disaster area. And obviously our whole house is a disaster area because the last 2 weeks I've been working tons of hours trying to get back in the swing of the transition of going back to work. But it's okay because you know what? Those things will get done eventually. I'll get back to normal, and maybe I don't want to be back to normal. I don't know. While we were camping, I had to run home. We were only like 15 minutes from home, and I had to run home yesterday like around dinner time, and when I got home, guess what was here? So if you're new here, and there are a lot of new people here, like we're talking about 500 people in the last 2 months, holy cow. First of all, welcome. Second of all, here's the procedure. These are Paradise Fiber subscription boxes. They send me one to review on my channel, and then I buy one and I give it away to one of you. It's awesome. So all you have to do if you want to win is comment on a video starting from this one and going to the last video before my next box shows up. And like at the end of this video, I'll pick a winner for the box from last month, which was May. I actually know what month I'm in. I don't want to brag or anything, but that doesn't happen every month. Someone is very tired from camping. So at the end of this, I'll pick the winner from May. If you want to enter for whatever is in this box, I have stayed away from spoilers, so I don't exactly know, but the hint was like a unicorn kitten thing. I don't even really know how to describe it, but we're gonna open this and I'm excited. I feel like I'm like in spinning mode right now. Oh, there's one more thing. If you watched the last video that came out, or maybe it was two back, I talked about how I feel like my subscribers and this channel really helped me get through lockdown, and I've been thinking for a while about like how to interact more in real time. YouTube, I'm not gonna say it's not built for that, but I find it kind of challenging to do that way. So I actually decided to start a Facebook page for FiberLoveDiary. I'm gonna link it below. So if you're on Facebook and you want to interact that way, it's gonna be a little different for me, but kind of my goal is to show projects in real time. I'm gonna try to address questions that come up here in real time a little bit more, because sometimes I get like a bunch of the same questions on a video, and so I'm thinking I'm gonna go live there a couple times a week, and I think it'll be a nicer way for like people to interact with each other and share what they're working on, and I think that will be really fun. So, hey, how you doing? Let's do this. Okay, this house is such a disaster. I literally just had to wipe the counter off in order to have a place to unbox. All right, so I'm gonna write this on here so that I can put it away and give it away to one of you lovely people. I am actually so excited for this. I'm totally in the mood to spin right now. I just finished a project, that's probably why. So if you want to come back later in the week, I'll show you guys the project I just finished. It was kind of like a long process, but it's okay. I've said it before, we don't really spin yarn so that we can just like be fast at anything. Okay, ready? I always feel like I should do the music from 2001. Dun, 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 dun. Okay. Enchanted Forest. It says, escape to an enchanted forest where whimsical plants grow abundantly and the fibers from their stalks are repurposed for textile artists. Ooh, to create soothing garments with. I'm really excited. Oh, let's do it. Oh, look. Ooh, something smells so good. It's the tea. It says a Tulsi or Tulsi clarity, a sacred blend flowering with vibrant clarity. It smells really good. I got an extra. Maybe we all got two. Okay. Now, let me put this where I can read it. I don't always do that because I'm not smart. All right, so I'm gonna try to go down the order that they have. This is 5 ounces of wisteria, a multicolored dyed cone top consisting of 50% blue face luster, 25% flax, ooh, and 13% rose fiber and 12% bamboo in a lavender organza bag. Awesome. It's funny because I was almost gonna do like a blue and white set of roll eggs, but it looks like there's purple too. Oh, you guys, I know it's crazy, but I have never spun flax. Isn't that weird? Look how beautiful. Oh, I'm dying. I need to get this done right away. It is extremely soft. So I've obviously woven with linen and used linen yarn, and that is not so soft, but this combination is actually very soft. Okay, wow. And 5 ounces, that's a lot. Look at this. Oh, okay. Then it says 2 ounces of undyed, so 7 total. Wow. 2 ounces of undyed Ramie fiber, a bast fiber produced from the pulp of the inner bark of the nettle plant stalk. Okay, so we were just talking about how you can eat nettles. All right, I love this. Okay, so it's shiny, and you guys know I'm gonna dye this. I love it. It is really nice, and it's kind of like dense. I don't know how else to describe it. Probably because it has no crimp, obviously, because it comes from a plant. Awesome. Wow, okay. Approximately 5 grams of Calypso blue or violet Angelina in a treasure box. Looks like I got violet. Oh, look how cute this little box is. Oh my God, look. Oh, I hope you can really see how sparkly that is. Ooh, look. That is so nice. This is a big amount too. That's a lot. Oh. 1 handmade fairy dust progress keeper / stitch marker. This is cutesy wootsy. I got some of the, one of the winter ones with like iridescent glitter, kind of like snow in it. Oh, look at, I don't know if you'll be able to see, but it's tiny little gold sparkly stars. And there's something about these little clear balls full of sparkles that just make my heart happy. It's not hard. It's a great way to live, actually. 1 kindness notebook. I love this, and this is like the perfect size to put in your bag or even your purse or whatever. I love that. That's cute. 1 wooden twig pencil. I saw this. It's darling. I'm kind of fascinated how they did this. Little forest product for ya. 1 puka organic herbal tea. I got an extra puka. Don't tell anybody. I'm sure it'll just be our little secret. Okay. And then it says, we are sorry to inform you that Eunice, our sheep logo, will not be making a decorative appearance as a sticker in this month's box as she is currently rock hounding somewhere in Idaho. Thank you, Paradise. I love this box this month. I think it's very timely. I think we've all been thinking about kindness. I hope we've all been thinking about kindness. If you want your own box, there is a link below. This is my favorite subscription box. I think everybody kind of already knows that. It's like not a secret, and I've gotten quite a few. There were 8 videos in the last month since the last unboxing, counting the last unboxing. So first I pick a video and then I use a random comment picker to pick a winner. So the video is number 4. So I start with this one. The 4th video is 1, 2, 3, 4, the spinning organization video. So we're gonna go. Ready? Jessica Wright, you win the May Paradise box. All you have to do to claim it is email me at neverendingknitnight@gmail.com. It's down below in the description box, and send me your snail mail address and I will mail it to you. So congratulations, and I will see you guys soon, very soon, like in 2 days. Okay, bye.